So here's my WordPress post single page, and now as you can see my feature image showing twice in my post page. Now this is my feature image and this is the image I upload in my post page. Now in order to remove or hide feature image from a post, all you have to need edit the specific post. Once you are in the post editor, make sure to enable settings and select post. Under post, here we can see the feature image. Now to hide feature image from a post, check this box. Show feature image in the post list only, but hide it in the single post view. Update your post, and now let's view our post. And that's it. Here we can see the feature image successfully removed from my post. Thanks for watching.